What's up, guys? Jim here. So it's been a while since I've done anything with the model trains. They actually sat since the last video until today, and I'm just trying to get back running. But the tracks are just, I don't know if they're dirty or what, but I can't get the outer loop going at all. It just kind of stop-start. It stopped there. It stopped there. It stopped there. The legacy signal sucks. I couldn't get the SD60E 6920. It was parked over there. Couldn't get it running. It was just, it thought it was unconventional, so I just decided just to pull it. And yeah, so this is gonna come down pretty quickly here because I don't really use it. I don't have time. And maybe over Christmas break I could, or in the winter time I could try to get back running again. But it's just, it's a pain in the butt right now with the Fastrack and all the issues I'm having. I gotta do some more research because I got some stuff to fix. So here, let's talk about what I have to fix. So first off, 911. One of the motor screws is completely loose. It is gone, I should say. So I need to get one of those, but I have to call Lionel for that because I don't know which screw I need. So that's not running. 2010 is just super rough running. I gotta send that into somebody somewhere, but the thing is, no one. I was told by a service center that Lionel no longer allows service centers, and they have to everything has to be sent into them. So I have to call them and figure out what's going on with that because this thing just doesn't run right. What else needs to get worked on here? Oh yeah, the couplers on both of my Lionel stat cars are junk because, as you can see, you're not supposed to be able to just pull it open. And here's the other one. That's why I haven't used any cabooses all year, because it is useless. It lets go immediately. So I gotta try to get that fixed. Is there anything else? Anything else? I think that's it for now. That needs to get sent in. But I gotta make a list and I gotta call Lionel. So there'll definitely be, you have this video, and you might have one more next week. You guys see at the end of the video. If I get it all packed up, I'll include it, but otherwise, you guys will probably get one more video of the model trains until really, probably about Thanksgiving time. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Give it a like. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you guys have any solutions for this legacy problem where basically it just acts like it's in conventional mode. Until you fire it up, until you literally, sometimes it won't even, it thinks it's conventional when it's right on top of the legacy receiver track. I have no idea. And so with the remote, it wiped out like what each engine is. It just says it's a diesel now. Like if I were to go to engine 16 here, which is 516, it's in a dead spot right now, but it doesn't have anything left over from, what it should be. It doesn't have the name, doesn't have any of the features on it. So like, it doesn't have the dish lights. I don't know what happened with that, so I'm gonna have to reload that as I'm packing everything up when I get the modules out. But just really annoying stuff. So yeah, probably the last run you guys will get, so enjoy. so here's the bottom side of that car, of one of the stack cars that are being a pain in the ass. I mean, that works. I'll even pull up on it. So everything works. It's all spring loaded. I mean, I just don't know if it's a release mechanism or what, but it's really annoying. I mean, this one's like perfect, brand new. It actually doesn't even have a spring in it. You can't even get it open. Which, I mean, I'd much rather have it not be able to get it open than unusable because I can't couple anything to it. But still, this car, I don't know if I need to get new trucks for it or what, but that might be what I have to do. Alright, guys, day 2 of taking this all down, and I switched out the engines. So I got 765 and 844. Got most of the buildings put away, and right now I'm just backing the train back up because this coupler has decided that it is done as well. I had issues with it earlier in the year, but it was cooperating with only 3 cars behind it, but now it can't handle, or 4 cars behind it, now it can't handle the 2 it's got. So, again, I mean, it's not as bad as the stack cars. Sorry, I just had to stop it. It's not as bad as the stack cars, but like, it's still letting go. And there's another coupler in the train that also has this issue in the one of these 2 tank cars. That one has 1 coupler. It also has an issue, but it's not as bad as this one. So, I don't know, I'm getting really frustrated with these Lionel couplers this year. See if it holds this time. It usually waits till it gets up 2 track speed and then it just lets go. I don't get it. I'll get the train on high, what do you call it? Very slow acceleration is what I have it set on. I've got it set on high down here. It's just very slow acceleration, so it's not like it's jerking the train. So unless it's just power surges in the track, I don't know. I'll probably film another time when it uncouples itself, probably in about 2 minutes. Like I said, another disconnect. And I'm even going half the speed now. I don't get it. Alright, so here's that coupler on that tank car. Looks like there's something broke. A spring or something broke there. Doesn't spring open. Oh, we know. This works, but doesn't like connect to anything. And I mean, I don't think I can pull this open here. Let's see. Oh, I can. No, I can't. I guess it just kind of lets go whenever it wants. I don't know. It's interesting for sure. On car 772. It's whatever. I don't know. Everything I buy here is used, and because it's cheap and I don't have a big budget, so yeah, I kind of get what I get. All right. So I'm attempting to exercise all the engines before I start putting them away. I got most of the cars packed, most of the freight cars packed up. Haven't packed up any engines yet, but I'm trying to get 2010 fired up again. And 2010 is not having it. Just listen. And it shorts out. I'll show you guys what I'm doing again. And it just shorts out like that. So I have a feeling I know what it is. I believe the one of the pickup rollers is touching the truck. And so I truthfully just need to send this in the Lionel, because when it does run, it doesn't run right. Yeah. I don't know why I'm bothering. Well, I tried. And I tried putting 6920 on that train. Wouldn't connect to the Legacy, and it would just try to take off in conventional mode. So, yeah, I'm frustrated some more. Oh well. I'll try to get it running for you guys before I pack it up, but I have a feeling it's not going to. This video is probably going to end up going to Lionel, so yay.